Urbanization and the shift towards smaller living spaces have fueled a massive surge in the demand for washer-dryer combos. These space-saving units are particularly appealing for remote professionals and gamers who live in compact apartments or RVs, where every square inch matters. This guide evaluates the leading models on the market, focusing on drum build quality, cycle efficiency, compact layout, and the overall value they offer for small-scale laundry needs. Product number 1. WH01X35719 Lint Filter 4-Pack for GE Profile Washer-Dryer Combo. While not a machine itself, the WH01X35719 Lint Filter 4-Pack is the single most critical investment for owners of the GE Profile all-in-one washer-dryer combo, model PFQ97HSPVDS. As any expert knows, the longevity of a combo unit depends entirely on its ability to manage lint, which can otherwise clog the internal condenser and degrade drying performance. These professional-grade foam filters are laser-cut for a precise fit, ensuring they stay securely in place during high-speed cycles. Constructed from high-density, washable PU sponge, these filters are significantly thicker than standard factory replacements. This added density allows them to trap finer particles, pet hair, and microfibers that often bypass thinner filters. Because they are reusable, this 4-pack provides an economical solution that can last for years with proper maintenance. For users who find their drying times increasing, swapping in a fresh WH01X35719 filter is often the quickest fix. It's a vital accessory that maintains the set-it-and-forget-it convenience that makes GE Profile owners love their machines. Product number 2. Mojo Co. Portable Clothes Dryer Mini/Compact Dryer. The Mojo Co. Portable Clothes Dryer is a game changer for digital nomads and apartment dwellers who lack the ventilation for a traditional dryer. Operating on a standard 110-volt outlet with 600 watts of power, this compact unit is designed specifically for emergency laundry or small batches of delicate items like activewear and baby clothes. Its most innovative feature is the built-in LED UV light, which provides a deep cleansing effect, an essential addition for health-conscious users or those drying items in humid environments. Portability is the Mojo Co.'s core strength. It features a foldable design that can be tucked into a closet or suitcase when not in use. Despite its small footprint, it utilizes fast-drying technology that can refresh light fabrics in as little as 20 minutes. The whisper-quiet operation is a major plus for gamers or typists who work in the same room where they dry their clothes. While it won't handle a heavy load of jeans, its efficiency with light daily wear makes it an indispensable tool for those living in spaces where a full-sized dryer is simply not an option.
Product number 3. Costway Compact Laundry Dryer 110-volt Electric Portable. The Costway Compact Laundry Dryer is a robust 850-watt machine that bridges the gap between toy-sized portables and full-scale appliances. Featuring a high-quality stainless steel tub, it offers a 10-pound capacity that is perfectly suited for t-shirts, towels, and bed sheets. Its sleek, gray aesthetic and downward-facing control panel make it a stylish addition to any small laundry nook or even a wall-mounted setup. This model stands out for its 4 automatic drying modes: cool, warm, hot, and air dry. These settings allow users to tailor the cycle to their specific fabrics, preventing the shrinkage that often plagues lower-end portable dryers. The anti-wrinkle function is particularly useful for professionals who want their shirts ready to wear immediately. With a noise-minimizing design and a transparent viewing window, you can monitor your laundry without the disruptive roar of a traditional machine. It is a top-tier choice for those who want professional drying results in a package that weighs less than 50 pounds. Product number 4. UHomey Compact Dryer 1.8 cubic feet Portable Clothes Dryer. UHomey has established itself as a leader in compact appliances
and the 1.8 cubic feet portable dryer is a testament to their engineering. With 1020 watts of drying power and a 10.5-pound wet capacity, this unit is built for performance. The internal stainless steel liner is designed with an S-shaped tumbling device that ensures clothes are tossed evenly, preventing the tangling and damp spots common in smaller drums. What sets the UHOME apart is its intelligent moisture sensing technology. The dryer can adjust its heating time based on the humidity levels inside the drum, ensuring you never over-dry and damage your favorite garments. It features 7 distinct drying modes, including an eco energy-saving mode that appeals to environmentally conscious users. Safety is a priority here. The machine automatically pauses if the door is opened, and it features an ETL-certified overheat protection system. For users who need a vented dryer that feels and performs like a permanent fixture while remaining portable, the UHOME is hard to beat. Product number 5. Costway Portable Washing Machine, Twin Tub 26 pounds capacity. The Costway Twin Tub 26 pounds capacity washer is the ultimate combo for those who want to wash and spin dry simultaneously. This semi-automatic machine features 2 separate tubs, an 18-pound washing tub and an 8-pound spinning tub. Powered by a dual motor system, 280 watts wash and 140 watts spin, it allows you to start a second load of washing while the first load is finishing its high-speed spin cycle. A standout feature of this 2026 model is the built-in drain pump, which makes it far easier to use in apartments where the machine must be placed higher than the floor drain. The spinner is exceptionally powerful, wringing out up to 90% of the water from your clothes, which significantly reduces the time they need to spend in a dryer or on a line. The durable PP plastic body is rust-proof, making it ideal for wet environments like bathrooms or balconies. It's a versatile, high-capacity workhorse that offers the fastest turnaround for laundry in the portable category.